everybody, this is Mike. Another one of my favorite recipes to make is a variation on mango chicken tacos. I've made this with chicken, ground turkey, and fish before, but instead of tortillas, I'm using red cabbage for the wrap instead. You're gonna start with about 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You're gonna wash them, pat them dry, and then cut or slice them up however you want. You're gonna combine the chicken with a tablespoon of oil, a little bit of lime zest, a teaspoon of ground cumin, some black pepper, some salt if you want. Mix that around. Heat a pan to about medium-high. Put a little bit more oil in there. And just throw your chicken mixture in that. You just want the chicken to get a little white. And while that is cooking up, you'll want to combine either an onion or half an onion cut up. And we're gonna squirt some lime juice into this bowl. Here comes the fun part, folks. You are gonna grab a jicama. A what? That's right, a jicama. It's spelled J-I-C-A-M-A. Looks like it would be spelled jicama, but no, jicama. It kind of looks like an oval-shaped coconut. Is you want to cut around the skin, get rid of all the skin. You just want to cut this into cubes. You're gonna want a cup of mango. I usually get it frozen, I defrost it. I'm gonna put the onion jicama mango mixture in with the chicken and cook it. You let that cook for a couple of minutes, then you're gonna grab a red cabbage. You see the stem right here? You wanna cut it almost to a 2/3 part of the red cabbage. If you're careful with this, which I'm clearly not being right now, but here we go. Nice little boats. You can give those a little bit of a wash. Pat dry them. As the chicken and onion mango jicama mixture is cooking, you can slide these underneath that to give these a little bit of a cooking as well. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. So there you have it, mango chicken tacos in red cabbage wraps. If you want to try them in tortillas, they're really good there too. Either way is great. This version great for dieting or just watching what you eat. If you need to have a low carb alternative, this is perfect for you. Enjoy.